Okay, so this is phase one of the attack lab. And so I'm just going to show you the steps, how to do it. So of course you're logged into Burt VM. And so the first thing when you open up the files, you should have these files, okay? And what you want to do first is just obj dump -d uh, and then C target, and this will give you the disassembly code, all of this, and you could just uh, create a file called target .asm and just copy that over there. And so what you need to look at here, well, what you need to know from here is you need to go to the function get buff and touch one, and I have that over here. So the file is huge, and it starts off like this, and if you just keep on going down, scrolling down, you are looking for get buff and touch one over here. So this is what you're looking for. Uh, and what you should know from here is that what you need from here is you need to look at how big your buffer is going to be. So you look at get buff and you look over here. This is in hex, so 0x18. That's your buffer, how big your buffer is. So what you can do is just convert it to decimal, and you'll know how big it is. So 0x18 in decimal is 24, and you could just Google it, and you get 24. Now, now you need to, that number, it's important because that's how much you have to pad. So you can just create another text file. You just create a text file, some text file, and my text file is uh, this right here. I created that. Uh, in here, uh, that number I got before 24, that's how much I know I have to pad. So 24 bytes, and so that's why I have 00 is 1 byte, so I have 24 of them. And this line, you look at the address of touch one, which is which is right here. So you look, it's 4019C0. So that's what I have over here. But it's in reverse order. So make sure it's in reverse order. And so you see I have C0, C0, 19, 19, and 40, and 40. And then fill the rest with uh, 5 bytes, and 001 byte, 001 byte. And it's 5 bytes because if we go over here, hold on. Because the address is 8 bytes. So the address is 8 bytes, and this is 1 byte. Hold on, give me a sec. That's 1 byte, and then from there, this 40 is 4 bits. So it's 4-bit and 4-bit. So 8 bits is 1 byte. Let me just write that. So 8 bits is 1 byte. So that's that. And then this 19 is 1 byte. Okay, and then this is also 1 byte. So remember the address is 8 bytes. So we have 1 byte, 1 byte, 1 byte. That's 3 bytes. So 8 minus 3, that's 5 bytes that we still need. So 1 byte, 1 byte, 1 byte, 1 byte, 1 byte, and that equals 8. So that's how we know we need 5 extra bytes to insert over there. And so then you could just have it over here. And when this is how your text file should look like. And then you could just save it, exit, and then all you need to do to pass phase 1 is just type in this command, cat, then the file name that you just created, which is, for me, it was add.txt. Then you could do this pipeline dot hex to decimal, hex to raw, and then do this, and then dot ctarget, and then you should pass it. Nice job. And it passed. And that's it. Those were the steps to pass phase 1.